Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Great, so for our zucchini, basil and feta soup, I've got a kilo of zucchini, so that's 2 pounds in my pot here. I'm just going to give a big pinch of salt. And then I'm going to get 2 cups of, I'm using chicken stock, but you could use veg stock if you want to keep it vegetarian, or water if you want to keep it just really simple. But I kind of like the extra richness that you get from chicken stock. This is some homemade. It's actually a mixture. So that's got some nice gelatin in it. So we've got our 2 cups. And then I'm just going to pop the lid on and we're going to bring it to the boil and just simmer it with the lid on. So our soup's been cooking with the lid on there, simmering away for about 10 minutes, and zucchini's feeling nice and tender. So I'm just going to turn that off the heat. And then I've got quite a large bunch of basil here, but you could use a smaller bunch if that's all you have. I'm just going to get the basil leaves on top. And then I'm going to puree with my stick blender, just being really careful. That's still hot, and I find the best way is to just tilt the pan on the side a bit. Great, and so when you've got, there's still a few chunks in there, but I actually don't mind having a few kind of chunky bits. So then just taste and season the soup, remembering we're going to be serving it with some feta on top, but just, yeah, salt can be helpful. And then I'm just going to divide this between 2 bowls and then top with some diced feta and some of the basil. I actually reserved a few of the basil leaves, and then just give it a drizzle of like a really nice peppery extra virgin olive oil, and we're all good. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.